Hi all, you see this problem? This is very simple problem. It's actually a problem regarding the harmonic progression or HP. So what is the harmonic progression? It says that if the terms in HP, the reciprocals are in AP. So therefore all harmonic progression problem can be treated as AP, so only that we have to reciprocate it. So here it gives that, have a look, that it is given that A1, A2, A3 and so on actually are in HP. So therefore, whatever we just mentioned few seconds earlier, it says that 1 by A1, 1 by A2 and 1 by AN definitely be in AP. So that's the properties of HP. Okay. Now, as we are converted or trying to solve this problem with the use of the AP series, so now let's consider the common difference. So for this AP series, let us take the common difference. It's definitely, let us assume as, so let's consider it as D. Now see that in this particular problem, 1 by A1, that means that E1 is given. So the first term is given and it is given the 20th term. So let's try to calculate the 20th term with the formula. So therefore A20, the 20th term, it will be equal to the first term plus n minus 1. So n 20 minus 1 into D. So therefore it's imply that 19D it's equal to 1 by A20, that's 25 minus 1 by 5. Now, obviously, we need to subtract them. So, therefore, what is the LCM? LCM will be 25 and we have 1 minus 5 that gives you minus 4 by 25. So, therefore, the common difference in this particular case, D is equal to minus of 4 divided by 25 into 19. Now see this value A is too big, right? So we don't need to find this value. There is no common factor, nothing. So we keep it as it is. Now let us consider that let AN is less than 0. Okay. So we now need to find out the value of AN. So therefore we use the same relation for AP. So therefore we find to calculate that what is the nth term for the respective AP series. That's 1 by AN is equal to A1 plus n minus 1 into D. So D, I keep it as it is. Don't substitute that because in that case, we have to continue with this big number, which is very difficult. Okay, let's see that. So now, n is less than 0. So that's definitely imply that the reciprocal is also less than 0. So therefore, we can easily say that 1 by A1 plus n minus 1 into D is definitely less than 0. That imply that n minus 1 into D is less than minus 1 by A1. Now see that A1 is given as 5. So we can easily delete that and we should change it to 5. So up to now it's okay. Now the problem comes, we need to find out the value of n. So there is no other choice, we have to substitute the value of D. So let's do that. So it is minus n minus 1 into 4 by 25 and 19 and that's less than minus 1 by 5. So now we have to multiply both sides by minus 1. So n minus 1 is greater than 1 by 5. Now here, this 4 into 25 need to be multiplied, right? So therefore, it is became 25 into 19 into 4. So therefore, we can easily find out n minus 1 is greater than 5. So 5 into 95, so it is 95 divided by 4. So n is greater than 1 plus 95 by 4. So this is the value. Now say that, what is 95 by 4? I think it will be 23 because 23 into 4 is approximately 92 something 5. So it's 23.75. Okay. So therefore we'll say that n is greater than 1 plus 23.75. That imply n is greater than 24.75. But say that here all these n's and everything is represent the number of term. So therefore, n is definitely an integer. Now, as n is an integer, so therefore the least value of n must be equal to 25. And that's why this is obviously, you have to remember that least value. So least value of n, so that an is less than 0. So that's why for this particular problem, obviously D is the correct choice. Hence, D is the correct answer. So what we understand here, technically we all know the AP series. Only the concept, main important thing in this typical problem is that HP and AP. So obviously you understood that HP and AP relation, the reciprocal will be AP. The AP, if it is an AP, reciprocal is in HP. Hope you understood the problem. Thank you.